So I am one person that really loves store-bought baby food, but in recent times I've had to make it myself because my son is very picky, and for this I had to use millet, wheat, brown rice, well washed, and what we locally call guinea corn. English hat, so I don't know the name for English. This is it right here, and I had to use the oven because yes, it wasn't really a sunny day, and I kept it in the oven for about 15 minutes and it came out well dried. And this is every ingredient: millet, lentils, soya beans, corn, groundnuts, and a blend of the guinea corn, brown rice, and millet, wheat as well. And I'll take it right into my multi blender. I had to do this all by myself because I wanted to be sure of the hygienic conditions. And right there, I blend it, after which I sieve it to ensure that I get a very smooth powder. And this is it right here. I use my spatula to mix everything together to make sure that it's certain it is properly mixed. And right here, this is our final product, and